Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a baked strawberry pie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Or this week, new pie recipes every day. So let's get started. First, you'll need a pie crust. I'll put a link to the recipe I'm using in the description box. And one of the biggest issues with making pie is an underbaked or soggy pie crust, so be sure to check out my pie crust troubleshooting video where I show how to prevent and fix an underbaked or soggy pie crust. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Then you need to thaw the frozen strawberries completely. You can do that by keeping them out at room temperature for a few hours, or a way to quickly thaw them is to place them into a large saucepan. Place it onto the stove over low heat, cover it with a lid, and let it heat until the strawberries are completely thawed and it has released a lot of liquid, stirring it occasionally. It may take 15 to 30 minutes. Then take it off the heat, pour it into a strainer set over a bowl to drain out the liquid. There can't be too much liquid in them or the pie will come out runny, so try and drain as much liquid as you can. Then place the strawberries over a separate bowl. Liquid will continue to drain slowly from them. Measure out the drained liquid and place it into the same saucepan that was used before. Then add in the sugar and heat it on the stove over medium heat until it comes to a boil and all the sugar has dissolved. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, add in the cornstarch and cold water and whisk them really well to get rid of all the lumps. Once the mixture on the stove comes to a boil, slowly add in the cornstarch and water mixture while constantly mixing so you don't get lumps. Then keep stirring it over the heat until the mixture thickens and becomes clear. Then remove it from the heat and add in more sugar, salt, cinnamon, and lemon juice. And place it back onto the stove. Stir the ingredients and heat the mixture until it's well combined and most of the sugar has dissolved. Then remove it from the heat and add in the strawberries that were set aside from earlier. And mix them until they're combined. Pour the filling into the prepared pie crust. Then you can cover the top with whatever crust design you like. I'm choosing a lattice top. To do that, roll out some more pie crust. Then cut it into 1.5 to 1 inch strips. Lay them across the pie, leaving space in between each one. Then lift up every other strip and add a strip going across the other way. And pull the strips back over the top of it. Then lift up the strips that weren't pulled before. Add another strip on top. And keep doing that the rest of the way. Trim off the excess crust from the edges. Brush a bit of egg wash underneath the edge of each strip so they stick to the crust. And brush the egg wash on top of the strips so they get a nice golden brown color when they bake. Then bake the pie in the oven for about 30 minutes until the crust is nicely golden brown and the filling is tender and bubbly. Then remove it from the oven and let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes until it's no longer hot but still very warm. And you can serve it still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make a baked strawberry pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.